Hi, my name is Tom Stewart and I'm CEO of Castle Keepers House Cleaning. I want to talk today about our cleaning scorecards. I want everybody to know that when we do a job for a client, most of them at the end of that job, when you punch out of that job on your mobile device, receive an email from us. The email looks like this, and it has 5 buttons on it, and it gives our clients an opportunity to let us know how happy they are with our service. If they're thrilled, they click on the green smiley face, and if they're really disappointed, they go all the way down the other end and click on a red frowny face. So why do we want to send out scorecards, and why do we want our clients to actually open up these emails and click on a button and give us feedback? Well, there's several reasons. We want to make sure our clients are happy with our service, and if they aren't completely thrilled, if there's anything that we could be doing to make them feel better about our service, to get them to the point where they're thrilled, we want to know that. Not only do we want to know it, we want to know it as soon as we can possibly know it so we can get ahead of it and get them to the point where they're thrilled before they consider maybe, discontinuing service with us. We also just use this information to kind of sort out and figure out which cleaning professionals are getting the most scorecards back and also which ones are getting the highest scores. Both of those are important because if some people are getting more scorecards back than others, or if some are getting higher in scores than others, there's something to be learned from that. And we want to learn from the ones that are getting the best results so we can take that and teach everybody else, and they can help us teach everybody else, and we can become a better company and have happier clients and all, creating more value for everybody. Another thing happens when a client clicks on one of the responses and gives us feedback through a scorecard. It takes them to a form that gives them an opportunity to leave a tip for us, to leave a tip for the team that cleaned their home. So obviously, we want to give our clients every opportunity they can to tip our cleaning professionals for doing a great job. So, that's another real important reason why we would want to encourage our clients to give us feedback on these scorecards. So, something I want to share with you is I would call it our honor roll. We've got like 5 cleaning professionals within the company who over the last 6 months have gotten back at least 100 scorecards with a satisfaction score of 95% or greater. We've got Kelly Worth and Jennifer Schaefer in Greenville. We got Felicia Pasco in Charleston, and we got Sierra Mack and Ashley Haynes in Atlanta, all with 100 scorecards and a satisfaction score greater than 95%. So I guess that kind of begs the question, how many scorecards should we expect to be getting back? I believe that we have an opportunity to, as a company, to get something up closer to 50% if we really focused on it. And if we could do that, it would help us in all the ways that I just described. So what I would like to encourage us to do is to be thinking about every opportunity we have to encourage our customers to take a look at that email and to give us feedback through it. If any of us learn that our customers aren't getting a scorecard, because every once in a while they get spammed out, wind up in junk or whatnot, please let us know about that. Share it with your supervisor, and they'll come back to us, and we'll try to figure out and see what we can do with that. But moving forward, for all the benefits and the reasons we just explained, it would be really useful to see, if we can get these scorecards up and at the same time keeping the satisfaction scores like the one that you see here. So I hope you guys find this information useful. Appreciate you giving me the time here, and we'll be catching you soon. Also, just like to recognize that tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you. Bye.